Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kai Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to change the background color of your Instagram story with a photo. You can change the background color just like the color of the post when you share the text, not just the text on a photo. Take a photo or choose from your archive. Press the pencil button at the top of the screen. Choose the color you like from the bottom. When you hold on the color, the background color fills the photo as you choose. When you post or repost a photo on your Instagram story, the background will automatically be a gradient matching the photo, but you can change it to any solid color using 3D or haptic touch. Instagram stories are a great way to keep up with your followers. Stories allow users to share photos temporarily with all of their friends or only close friends as opposed to posting a photo on their account. Also, instead of appearing in your feed, other people's stories are found at the top of the homepage. You can customize your story in a number of ways, one of which is done via the iPhone's 3D or haptic touch. Other options include putting music in your story or adding a link. Since the iPhone 6s was released in 2015, 3D Touch was introduced, allowing users to accomplish a variety of commands by pressing down on their iPhone screen. Since its introduction, 3D Touch has become integrated into many apps, including Instagram, and its essential features have since been replaced on newer iPhones by what Apple now calls haptic touch. To change your Instagram story background, use the 3D or haptic touch feature to change the default color to your new selected hue. And here's how to do it. How to change the background color on your Instagram story. At first, select the photo on Instagram that you'd like to add to your story. I like this one. I like this post, so I want to add it to my story. So click the paper airplane icon underneath the photo to share it on your story, and a pop-up will appear. And from there, just click add post your story, and this will automatically create a story for you. The default background will be a gradient of the main color in the image, and to change the color, just click the icon at the top of the screen, and from there choose your desired color from the palette at the bottom, swipe and scroll through more. You can also choose a color from the photo to match the hue exactly. To do so, click the color dropper symbol and then drag your finger over the photo until you find the color that you like. And maybe this can be good. So I'll just choose this one. Just like that. Release your finger when you found the right color. And once you're satisfied with your new background, tap done. You can continue customizing your story to your liking with tags or gifts before you add the completed story to your profile. I think that's it for now, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.